Step 3 is all about locating the best leads. In the last video, I shared with you the different depth of your leads inbox view. Here, I will show you how to manage your leads inbox so you can exhaustively dominate your investment area in under a few minutes a day. Most investors are wasting their time scrolling through the portal, through pages and pages of property listings that they've already seen before, having to memorize all of Rightmove, if not redeciding on what to do with the same properties again and again, day after day. There is no end to the scrolling, no end to the to-do list. They live in a constant fear of missing out, not actually doing anything in case something better pops up. They live in a mental clutter, are overwhelmed and stuck in analysis paralysis. But the truth is, when you see something, it's either you like it or you don't. So here you'll be able to just decide once and for all and take a decision on every lead. Is it worth your time to do more due diligence on it or not? And this has been described to me as being like Tinder for property. Not that I would know, but here we go. Having had a quick look at it, is it worth your time for a chat or not? If it's a keeper, if it's a hell yes property, the best ones you want to work on right now, you'll want to send them to your pipeline. If this is a hell no property, the ones you wouldn't touch no matter the price, you want to click hide right here. Make sure you've already fine-tuned your filters so that you don't see obvious no-go properties in the first place. And finally, don't get stuck here with FOMO. You have a third option for properties that are not quite worth your time right now, but you'd be happy to look at if the price or the market status changes. This is what the wait until next change button is for. It wait until next change to send the property out of your site in the wait until next change box. Property Filter will keep monitoring it and will bring it back into your leads inbox if the price changes, if it's fallen through, if it's available since a long time, or any of the above triggers. Now what this means is the system will remember what you've saved and disregarded so that tomorrow when new properties become available, more sales fall through, come back on the market or are reduced, you only see the new stuff. Meaning that with a few minutes of your time, you'll be at the bottom of Rightmove, Zoopla, On The Market, Prime Location, and many other places, having an exhaustive view on your market, knowing and having decided on everything that ever comes for sale, and dominating your investment area. Remember, you can always undo any decision by filtering by sourcing stages here, delete from the pipeline, remove from hidden list, or stop waiting for change on these properties. I'll link to another video about how you can use the same lead generation engine to create highly targeted direct-to-vendor mail campaigns in a few clicks on Property Filter. This will close the first half of the Property Filter Fortune Flywheel, all about lead generation. In the second half of this series, I'll cover the 3 deal-making steps of the Property Filter Fortune Flywheel. In the next video in particular, we look at how you can track your pipeline and start leveraging Property Filter to do your due diligence and do more deals in less time.